Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware. Charge both buds above half and open the case. Once done, disable nearby Bluetooth distractions and turn on your phone's Bluetooth and location. Next, follow the maker's method to put both earbuds into pairing or reset mode at the same time. This ensures they can see each other and the phone. You do this because simultaneous pairing avoids one bud becoming master and leaving the other out of sync, which is the common root cause of single-ear audio. You now pair the primary earbud to your phone, choose the device name shown, and accept any prompts. Make sure the primary connects alone before reintroducing the secondary. Once the primary is stable, either reinsert the partner earbud into the case or press its sync button so it discovers the primary and joins as the slave. This is how stereo pairing is established. Also, open the manufacturer app to confirm stereo mode and update firmware if mismatched versions prevent proper synchronization. You finish by validating stereo, play a test track with distinct left and right signals, and make sure both earbuds output correctly. If timing or channel issues appear, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, forget the device on your phone, then repair following the same sequence. Many sync problems clear with a fresh connection. If issues persist, perform the earbuds factory, reset in the case or app, and repeat the pairing steps. This often cures persistent master-slave or firmware mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.